Sasha has a ring plate that has 3 gold rings and 5 silver rings on it. With her eyes closed, she picks a ring from the plate and then puts it back. She mixes the rings and then chooses another one at random from the plate. Calculate the probability that Sasha picks A, 2 gold rings, B, a gold ring in her second row. So the first thing is, construct your tree diagram. We have 3 gold rings on the plate, and then we have 5 silver rings on the plate. The total of all rings on the plate are 8. Now for our second pick, we have the same probabilities. So we have a gold ring, which is the probability of that is 3/8. And then we have the probability of choosing a silver ring, which is 5/8. And then the same thing for the silver ring. The probability for choosing a silver ring is 5/8, and then the probability for choosing a gold ring is 3/8. Now let's start writing all the possible outcomes. Our first outcome will be G and G. Our second outcome will be G and S. Our third outcome will be S and G. And then our last outcome will be S and S. Now for all the probabilities. Starting off with the first one, it's 3/8 multiplied by 3/8 equals to 9/64. Second one, 3/8 multiplied by 5/8 equals to 15/64. Third one is 5/8 multiplied by 3/8 equals to, again, 15/64. Lastly, 5/8 multiplied by 5/8 equals to 25/64. You can also check to see that all the probabilities in the last column add up to 1, meaning that 9 plus 15 plus 15 plus 25 equals 64. So that will leave you with 64/64, which equals to 1. Now let's say we want to find the probability of getting 2 golds. First, locate the G branch, then follow the second G branch. As you'll be able to see, there will be 2 outcomes where the second ring will be gold, either GG or SG. And so from the probability tree diagram, we can see that GG is equal to 9/64, and then SG is equal to 15/64. Now add these 2 together. Your answer will be 24/64. Simplify if you can. In our case, we can. So our final answer is 3/8.